I'm Dan Brown, I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager here at Par Aide. Par Aide's been in business since 1955, and we sell some of the world's best golf course accessories and tools. And this year at the GCSAA Show and Conference, we're pretty excited about the introduction of Miltona into our line. Par Aide's owned Miltona for a number of years, but this is the first year that we're actually integrating it into the Par Aide catalog. So we've got Miltona is obviously known for hex pluggers, but a whole line of really great turf equipment, turf repair tools that Par Aide is now selling under the Miltona brand in the Par Aide catalog. So some of the Miltona products have really been game changers in the turf repair world, whether it's really some unique tools like sod strippers or the hex pluggers or some of our spikers. It's really some groundbreaking tools over the years. And one of the nice things now with being under the Par Aide umbrella is that any one of our distributors across the world has the ability to sell the line of Miltona tools. So this is a great example. This is kind of the classic Miltona hex plugger, one of the original products that Miltona introduced. One of the best tools for repairing turf on a green. Simply go to the maintenance screen and replace a lot of the turf plugs. This is the product that Miltona was known for. We've got a number of other really innovative products. This is another classic product from Miltona, is a sod stripper. One of the only products that really does a good job of taking out the sod and replacing it with new sod. Another product that I mentioned earlier was one of our spikers. This is a great tool for repairing different areas in the green, spiking out the area, reseeding it. So we've got just a wide variety of really turf repair tools in the Miltona line. What we're really excited about is the integration of the Miltona products both on our website, in our catalog, and for our distributors to have the ability to sell them to their customers worldwide.